I see damage control, but other chocolate guys, out of that situation, the negative situation that I created, I found some positives and I want to take action.
Yes, that's true guys. THEMBA Gorimbo finally reveals the reason why he was dissing Winky D and some of the lessons that he learned from dissing Winky D. So let's watch this video together and also learn something from it.
Wanzi wangu mutema tema asandidi na I see damage control, but other chocolate guys, out of that situation, the negative situation that I created, I found some positives and I want to take action. I realized that a lot of the youth are very angry and they don't have an outlet for their anger, and they use this social media as an outlet for their anger and to express themselves, which is good. I admire that. But guys, I come up with this idea. After my next fight, I'm gonna take a certain percentage of my purse, not ESA, but certain percentage, and don't want out. Do think I'm punching big, then we open a gym in one of whatever townships, starting in Harare, because then we empower the youth to do the sport of MMA, boxing, whatever. I will be in touch with Zimbabwe boxing, MMA board, whatever, and let's see if we can come up with something to empower the youth for free, and then we can also start discovering new talents. Maybe one day tunozovana mwanengo ane ma$7 then wozosvika okuno. But at least guys, from the negative situation I found a positive. Chirumukandituka. But yeah, honestly, jokes aside guys, this is something that I found out, that people are very angry, and sometimes it's lack of outlet for anger. And some of us, we started MMA because it was an outlet for anger, and look at us now. We are pushing and we're gonna inspire a lot of people. But still, inspiring a lot of people is the most important thing, and how we can do it is uplifting others too. Guys, but I'm jokes. But yeah, from that situation we found a positive situation that we can create. Bless you guys, love you.
Oh wow, I love it. And it's not something that is create something positive from the negative. Wow, I really loved it, and I don't know what you guys think about it, but I really loved it, and it's a good idea. I know we are going to see a lot, and we pray that he's going to win his fight, because I don't know what will happen if he lose. I don't know what will happen if he lose. Maybe he's just going to be paid or something, but we pray that he will fulfill his promise. So thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.